So we're on the road again. We're gonna try this place called a Spicy Feta. Spicy Feta. So let's see. Here we go. Yeah. Wait, look at this decor. No, this is fancy. Oh, there's a what? You place your own order?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So if I pay with cash, they still do that here?
It's kind of cool to see all of the meat rotating and you can smell it and it just, oh my gosh. The entire restaurant has this smell, and then you can go ahead and order your own food on the POS system. I love it. Now, after you place your order, you can take up a table number and place it at the table you like to sit. You can get your own drinks at the soda machine. This type of service takes away the whole need for like a lot of workers. You make your own order, you sit where you want to sit, you get your own juice. The only thing workers are needed for are to like cook the food and to just serve the food at your table. I mean, wow. And look at that decor. It's beautiful. So they bring out your food to you. Wow. Wow.
By the way, this isn't all for me. We're sharing.
Wow. Spicy.
It's like, I don't.
So I think I took the spicy Apollo and I chose the lamb and beef mixed for the carved meat, because you can get chicken, you can get different type of carved meat that they had rotating, and this looks so good. You see the onions, the red onions, the feta cheese, of course, because it's called spicy feta, and you have a lot of cucumbers too. So let's go ahead and give this a try. It looks loaded. It has fries in there. It's a lot. Oh my gosh. So let's try this. Oh, good. How do you go in? This is delicious. This is delicious. This is delicious. It's healthy, fresh, and delicious. Oh my god. The ingredients taste fresh. You have pickles, you have the gyro meat, which is 80% lamb and like 20% beef, which is good. You have the fresh tomatoes, the onions, the feta cheese, and there's a spicy kick in there. Oh my god, I'm in love. I wish we came here yesterday, and then I would get to eat here 2 times. Oh my god. And then it comes with fries. It's very loaded. Oh my god, I'm in love. I love this place. So Amanda ordered this appetizer called Spanakopita Samosa. I don't know. But it's basically like a spinach cream wonton or some, samosas, and it is fried, and it has spinach in there, and it's so delicious. I love it. and you dip it in some of that cream sauce, and it's extra creamy. It has a little kick to it, but it's not like going to blow all your taste buds away. And then we have this like feta fries, loaded fries. I tried that as well. Got a nice big mouthful. This was equally delicious. Oh my god, I know my hands look kind of washed out because I'm in the kitchen working, so you use a lot of chemicals, so excuse my dried ashy hands. Hey. I got this spicy sauce to try with the wrap. I ordered the wrap that I ordered is spicy, and I ordered a spicy sauce as well because I'm Jamaican. I love heat. It complemented it really good, but it doesn't need it because the wrap has enough heat already, so you don't need to add any more heat. Really and truly, I loved it here. Everything tasted so good. It tasted healthy. It tasted natural. It tasted flavorful. It was just so good. So when walking out, we saw that they were selling some baklava, and I was like, yo, I don't know if I pronounced it good, but I was like, yo, I can't lose a chance. Usually you eat it straight. You don't eat it with a fork, but because you're sharing it. My friend doesn't like it. But you can have the rest. It's really sweet. It's thin layers of crust with like sweetener, and then they have like a filling of almond in there and nuts. One bag is enough for me. So let's recap. I really love this restaurant. I love the whole concept of like moving fast. You can order your own food. But honestly, as a Jamaican eating in America, this food packs a lot of flavor, and it feels healthy, and it is filling. So I would definitely make this a daily lunch spot. It hits the spot. All right. The baklava in the end, it was a little bit too sweet. It didn't taste fresh, so I don't know. Yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching another amazing episode with me. I know I haven't been putting out much episode, but I'm going to get back on track. I'm going to give you more episodes, so thank you for hanging in there with me. Alright, so I usually share like a Bible verse at the end of my videos. So I'm looking at Isaiah 8 verse 10. Call your councils of war, but they will be worthless. Develop your strategies, but they will not succeed, for God is with us. And I don't know, when I hear the last part, God is with us, I just feel I feel safe. I feel like no matter what, God is with me. No matter that we live in an evil world with crazy things going on, I just know wherever I am in life, God is with me. And that gives me, I can be brave because I know that once I make a right decision, I know God is standing with me, and it empowers me. I don't feel weak. I feel strength, and that strength comes from the Lord. To know that God is with me. Wow. So I don't know, like it feels good to be a Christian. Like I don't need to be afraid because God is with me. Wow. So thank you for watching. Please share, please like this video, and thank you everyone for continuing watching my channel, watching my videos. One love.